Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Chevy, please help me subscribe to the channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have a new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2018 Chevy Malibu 1.5. So right now, the customer is having the check engine light with the code is P2138, which is an acceleration pedal sensor. So his complaint was sometime it happened to him. It's like a late response, so every time he pressed on gas it wouldn't go, and sometimes it would go. And for the check engine light, it would come back and go away by itself. So I go ahead and order the parts on the acceleration pedal, and then every time sometimes you gas it, there's no power at all. So it's like due to the late response of the bad acceleration pedal. So I bought the part here. This is the part number, GM original gas pedal right here with the sensor on top right there. I took out the old one. The slight difference is the sensor mounted on the side here for the old one, but the new one, I guess they redesigned it. This one also fits the car. Everything's the same, and mounted the same. The connector's also the same. So I'm guessing this is the redesigned model, and the only difference is just the sensor on the old one is mounted on the side. This one is inside on top. The connector is the same thing too. Everything fits. I tried it out, fits perfectly. So I'm just gonna put the new one in. And since you're here, check out the connector too. Make sure the wire right here is not damaged or ripped. The pin inside is not damaged, anything like corrosion or anything. If it's good, just go ahead and put the pedal back. Now, putting the pedal back, you're gonna slide this part in first, snap it in. There you go, it just snapped in. And then put the bolt back. There's only one bolt mounted on the side, that's it. There you go. Put the connector back. There you go. Press the lock down. Connector is locked. It's good and tight. Right now I have the key on, so for you to put key on, you're gonna hold on to the start button for about 5 seconds, and then it's gonna key on. I'll show you the code again one more time. That's for the gas pedal. Now I'm gonna clear it. That's it. Turn it off. Turn it back on. So I'm gonna step on the gas, see if it responds right on time. Yes, it's good now. So for the old one, it fits the car too. But when I bought the new one, I looked it up. They don't show the old one anymore. So the new one I bought, so I'm guessing it's the new redesign. So that's the only one that they're selling. I don't see this anymore. So that's the new design for the pedal. That's it for this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. You have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.